colorist painting is characterized by the use of intense color, which becomes the dominant and outstanding feature and hallmark of the resultant artwork, more pronounced and important than its other qualities. A colorist painter doesn't just focus on color. He communicates through it. He collaborates with it to express the otherwise inexpressible. He employs color not to give the viewer a plane to stare at, but to invite him inward towards something beyond the surface, deep within the painting, and even deep within his own soul. A colorist will exaggerate a color, use an unexpected color, and combine unorthodox hues to create works that speak directly to the vibrational rhythm of color. To learn more, visit seedgallerynewyork.com.